there, crafter! If you caught my last two videos, you know that I'm doing a little three-part series on stretches and strengthening exercises for those of us who crochet. And today I'm bringing you the routine that puts all these stretches and exercises together into one simple, about 5-minute routine that you can do to help strengthen your muscles and stretch and relax. This is put together with crocheters specifically in mind, but lots of us who craft, what do? We sit all hunched over when we're working on our projects, and it's really bad for us. So this routine will help you for sure if you crochet and you tend towards a hunched over posture, but if you're just a crafter in general, you may find that this routine helps you as well. Before we start, I need to give the big disclaimer, no, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a trained professional or anything like that. Before you ever start any kind of health or exercise or stretching routine, always consult with your doctor. If you're doing these exercises and you experience any pain, stop immediately and basically follow this routine at your own risk. Don't worry, we're not doing anything crazy. This is a pretty low impact exercise routine. For this routine, you will need a chair, you will need a wall, you will need a doorway, and optionally you may want weights. All right, let's go ahead and get exercising. We're going to start by doing the extensor stretch. And for this, we'll need either a chair back or a table edge. And we're gonna hold this for 10 seconds. Just lightly press in until you feel a stretch in the back of your arms and in the backs of your hands. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna stretch our flexors. So just place your palms there and gently press, and we're gonna hold this for about 10 seconds as well. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna go through the hand glide routine, and we'll do the hand glide routine twice. So stretch your fingers open, bend at the base, stretch your fingers open, bend just at the top 2 knuckles, stretch your fingers open, bend down to the base of your hand, stretch your fingers open, and make a fist. Do it again. Stretch your hand open, bend at just the top knuckles, stretch your hand open, bend just the top 2 knuckles, stretch your hand open, bend the pads of your fingers down to the base of your hand, stretch your hand open, and make a fist. And let's repeat that all again. We're gonna start here and stretch for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then stretch our flexors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back into the hand tendon glide. Stretch your fingers open into the duck position. Stretch your fingers open, bend just the top 2 knuckles down. Stretch your fingers open and reach those fingers to the base of your palm. Stretch your fingers open and make a fist. One more time. Fingers open, go into the duck position. Fingers open, bend just those top 2 knuckles. Fingers open, bring your fingers all the way to the base of your hand. Fingers open, and make a fist. Now we're going to do a doorway stretch, and we'll hold this for 15 seconds. 4, 5, 6. And make sure you're breathing, you're staying relaxed, and keeping those shoulder blades back and down. 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're going to do 10 wall push-ups. And again, bring your feet further in or further out to adjust for your own ability level. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then another 15 seconds of a doorway stretch. You should really feel your chest muscles stretching. You might feel a little sore from doing the push-ups. I know I was definitely feeling the wall push-ups there, getting a little bit of a burn. Hold this for just a few more seconds. 13, 14, 15. Now we're going to reach down our back with both hands and hold this for about 10 seconds. And as you go through these exercises, make sure that you are remembering to breathe. Make sure you're sitting with good posture and keep your shoulder blades down and relaxed. 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do some little arm circles. We'll do 7 going forward and 7 going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do some more reaching behind our back. This time we're going to go back with our left hand and up with our right hand. If you can reach, try to reach, but if you can't touch all the way, that's okay. Just stretch as far as you can. And we'll hold this for about 10 seconds and then we'll do the other side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reach back with our right hand and up with our left hand. Go a little further on this side. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do some head turns. We're going to turn to the left for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Return to center. Turn to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to center. Left for another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to center and right for another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do some seated rows. So I'm going to turn a little bit in my seat here so you can see this well. For this part, you may want to use weights. You don't have to use weights. I'm just going to use some Gatorade bottles. And for this, you want to leave our arms on the side, lean forward, and then just pull your elbows back, up and back. And we're going to do 8 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do some neck rolls. We're going to roll 3 times to the left. So that's 1. Make sure that you're keeping your core engaged and you're not putting strain on your low back. That's 2. And don't forget to breathe. And 3. Now 3 to the right. That's 1. That's 2. And 1 more. And that's 3. Now we're going to do a shoulder blade pinch and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Pinch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do a spinal twist. We're going to turn to our right and hold this for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to center and then twist to the left and hold this one for 10 seconds as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then to wrap it all up, we're going to do 3 more shoulder blade pinches, but this time we're going to pull inward and then down. So pinch inward and then pull down. Put them into their pocket and hold it for 3, 4, 5. Relax. Pinch your shoulder blades back and down. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then relax. And one more time. Pinch them together and then down. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you've made it through our stretching and strengthening exercise routine. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope that this helps you stay in better shape and have better posture and eliminate some of the strain and stress that we put on our bodies when we crochet. You don't really think of crochet as being some intense physical sport, but it's really easy to slip into bad posture and bad habits. So it's good to do exercise routines like this to help counteract that, so that way you can have better posture and minimize strain and pain. But I hope you guys enjoyed this mini series, and I hope that this is a helpful resource for you, and I hope that all your crochet projects go well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff, and come back on Tuesday because I've got some more exciting Tutorial Tuesdays planned. Happy crafting!